Happy Friday to all you tactical moms and dads out there and non-parents. Welcome back to the episode of The Tactical Everyday Dad. As a tactical parent, you have to be ready for anything. That's why I carry a multi-tool on me at all times, either a Leatherman Micro or a Gerber armbar. Both of those have a minimum of a knife blade or knife, bit driver or a combination screwdriver flathead, bottle opener, and scissors. That's my bare minimum, but sometimes you need a full-blown multi-tool, which brings us to today's item, the Leatherman Curl. Let's check it out. All right, so today's item is the Leatherman Curl, the new addition to the Leatherman family, right after the Leatherman Bond. This is if they took a Leatherman Bond and had to make a baby with the Leatherman Wave. One side is Leatherman Bond with a clip on it. You flip it over. It's a half Leatherman Wave with two outside accessible tools, one being a file, the other one is a 2.9 inch 420 HC stainless steel blade. Straight edge, no serrations on it. So when it comes to full-blown multi-tools, it's kind of a win-lose situation. Do you want to carry that weight and have all the tools, or sacrifice the weight and go for a lighter tool and not have the pliers? In this situation, it kind of gives you a kind of little leeway between the two. This multi-tool is only 7.5 ounces. It's 4 inches total when it's closed, 6.25 inches once it's open. It's only 0.6 inch thick, and then it's 1.24 inches wide. And again, this one does have a pocket clip, but also comes with a nylon sheath, which you guys will see shortly here in our tabletop view. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, so all the new Leathermans come in this kind of drawer style box. It's pretty classy and nice compared to those really old boxes. They just cram everything in, or the clamshells. So it's pretty cool. Again, drawer style box. Nothing on the back. Inside this sheet here, just gonna give you little snippets of some things about the warranty and how to use a multi-tool if you don't already know how to use a multi-tool. This one does come with a nylon sheath. High quality. However, you don't really need it, just because this one actually comes installed already with a pocket clip. The other newer one, the Bond, and then of course the Free series, don't come with this unless you get the free number 4. This normally is an aftermarket add-on that you have to get. And again, I apologize for the lawnmower. I don't know, every single time I try and film one of these. So this is kind of like a half of the infamous Wave. So you still get the outside tools, just like on the Wave and the Surge. You get a straight edge there, and you get a file on this side, but it's like a half Wave. So this side there's no tools on the outside, but this still has kind of the look of the Bond old school style, as well as like a rebar style body, just without the rulers. So I close those in. You get your pliers, of course, not replaceable teeth or blades. These ones are just built in, and you'll have to resharpen them on the multi-tool itself. This side, we have the awl, flathead, pry. If I can get it out. Scissors, of course, collapsible. And then this side has the ruler as well, and then this side is the bottle opener and the actual bit driver that you can, oops, sorry, I'm having a little tough time today. It's kind of hot, so my fingers are sweaty. These little proprietary flat Leatherman bits will fit in that. Just a quick size comparison for you. Your everyday big pen and the everyday Sharpie. Toy car. Oops, I'm gonna put it down here. Sorry. The Ontario Rat 2. The Ontario Rat 1. Spyderco Pair 3. Spyderco PM2. Benchmade Mini Bug Out. Benchmade Full-Size Bug Out. And of course, just kind of a family member, the Leatherman Wave Plus. Very similar size. Again, like I said, it's a half wave. This side has the tools on the outside. Everything is similar dimension-wise. And just like this. This I had put on the aftermarket clip, so this is not the one that comes with it. So it's just like that. Sorry, like hard to do this on camera. There you go. So this one is kind of a deep pocket carry clip. Let's get these shut really quickly here. Just show you there. It is less bulky than the Wave. So I'm gonna do something a little different this time for kind of the demonstration on how effective this is. From all the multi-tools, I am a Leatherman kind of guy. This is actually probably gonna be my new favorite, and you guys will see why shortly.
From my winter hell, I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way. Try to stay true. Just speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show this life's a show. Try not to glow. Way down below, it's a lot of woe. And that's not a place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy if you just help me loosen up my hand grenades fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth, but it's up to you not to choose. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay